Welcome back to Digital Dive, where we break down the best tech for your lifestyle. Today we're diving into a question we've seen everywhere lately. Is the JBL PartyBox 310 still the best portable party speaker in 2025? Let's find out. First things first, if you've been to any outdoor event, tailgate, or house party in the past few years, chances are you've seen, or heard, the JBL PartyBox 310. It's been a fan favorite since launch for its insane volume, powerful bass, and built-in party lights. But with new competitors entering the market every year, does it still hold up? Let's start with the design. Nothing's really changed there, and that's a good thing. The PartyBox 310 keeps the rugged, portable form with a telescopic handle and smooth rolling wheels. It weighs about 38 pounds, which isn't light, but it's built to move. The IPX4 water resistance rating still makes it splash-proof, perfect for pool parties or beach days. That's a big plus if you're using it outdoors. Now onto the sound, because that's why you're really here. The JBL PartyBox 310 brings serious firepower with 240 watts of output. Whether you're playing hip-hop, EDM, or classic rock, this speaker brings bass you can feel. Even at 70–80% volume, it fills a backyard or large room easily. At max volume, you're basically hosting a mini concert. The mids and highs are clean, and there's minimal distortion even at higher levels. The bass boost feature is still a crowd pleaser, and it makes a noticeable difference when you're trying to energize a space. One underrated feature is the customizable EQ via the JBL PartyBox app. If you want to tweak the sound profile for your own taste or environment, it's super easy and responsive. Plus, the app lets you control the light show, which honestly still looks amazing at night. The lights sync with your music, and while it's not a necessity, it definitely adds to the party vibe. Battery life is another area where the 310 still competes hard in 2025. You're looking at up to 18 hours of playtime on a single charge, depending on how hard you're pushing the volume and lights. And it supports fast charging, about 3.5 hours to full charge, which is pretty reasonable for its size. Now, let's talk about connectivity. The PartyBox 310 supports Bluetooth, USB, aux input, and even has mic and guitar inputs, which makes it a hit for karaoke nights or impromptu jam sessions. It also supports true wireless stereo, so you can pair two PartyBox 310s for an even bigger soundstage. In 2025, some newer speakers are trying to push into Wi-Fi audio or smart features, but for most partygoers, Bluetooth is still king, and the 310 handles it flawlessly. So, what about the competition? Yes, there are newer models out now from Sony, Bose, and even budget brands trying to undercut JBL on price. Some of them offer features like built-in voice assistants, touchscreen controls, or lighter builds. But here's the thing. None of them quite match the total package the 310 offers: raw power, party-ready features, rock-solid durability, and that signature JBL bass that US audiences still love. Price-wise, it's still hovering around $500, which is an investment. But given its performance, it still delivers serious value in 2025. If you're someone who throws parties, loves music loud, or needs a speaker that lasts all day and keeps the crowd going, this is still one of the best choices out there. So, is the JBL PartyBox 310 still the best portable party speaker in 2025? For most people, absolutely yes. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more real-world tech reviews, and drop a comment if you want us to test any other speakers next. This is Digital Dive, and we'll catch you in the next one.